Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever been in a situation where you're doing a simple brake procedure on a vehicle you typically don't get? Well, this happened to one of my clients the other week, and I just want to document how I was able to share with him the function route, how to reset the ABS light. So if you work on BMWs, you probably know this already. You should know this. But if not, if I could help somebody who doesn't, this would be a good piece of content I think you want to stick around for. So let's jump into it, guys. This case study is on ABS light still stays on after a brake replacement. And to give you a little background, my client was using the Maxisys Elite, and he's working on a 2012 BMW 328i. And just to give you a bit of background, he just did a simple service routine for his customer, and as he finished servicing the brakes, he tried to erase all the codes and the ABS light was still staying on. He couldn't figure out what the problem was, and he didn't know, I guess, the function route on how to reset that light. So that's when he gave me a call, and I popped into TeamViewer, popped into his tablet, and first thing I wanted to do was read the codes just to see what we're dealing with. Alright, so I click read codes, and as you can see, we got two sets of codes, and just to blow it up, it's a 480A11 and 480A12. And I did a bit of research, and these are three possible causes. So one was the CBS reset, which I felt that would be the answer. And then the other possible causes that you guys could check is deployed brake pad wear sensor and the damaged brake pad wear sensor, or brake pad sensor. And here's a diagram of the components that were related to the braking system. And at this point, I was just questioning the client. Okay, was it an aftermarket part and sensors you replaced? What what parts was he replacing basically? And one of the sensors was the wear indicator sensor, and I asked him, okay, I said, look, does it look like this? And he said, yep. I said, I know exactly what your problem is. He needs to perform the wear indicator sensor reset procedure, and this can only be reset after a service measure has been completed. The brake pads can only be reset with new brake pad wear sensors. All right, so this is how it's done. First thing you're going to do, and to let you guys know, you can do this manually. There are procedures on how to do this manually, but it's not recommended because it's only possible to code the intervals specific to individual countries with a diagnostic tool. Okay, so that's why they don't really recommend doing it manually. But here's the function route. So you're going to click Service, then you're going to click Maintenance and Delivery, and then you're going to click Reset CBS condition-based services. You're going to click it twice. You're going to see it here, and once you click it, you're going to see it on the other menu on the left here. Okay, and then once you click that, the last step would be click CBS Reset UDS. So let's just wait for the client to click that, and then he's going to click CBS UDS Reset. Now, just to give you a heads up, it's very important. I mean, I do this for my clients. When they get the tool, I configure their date and time, but it's important when you're doing this procedure, because if it's wrong, it could screw up the whole thing. All right, so the date and time is correct. We're going to click yes, and it says date and time were set successfully in the vehicle, and then it's going to bring us to the menu to reset it. So all we're going to do is select the front brake. We're going to tap it, and then you're going to see that the reset button on the bottom is going to be highlighted, and you just click the reset button, and then it's going to reset that component, as you can see here. Boom. Alright, very simple. He just needed to know where it was. And then he's going to repeat the same thing for the rear brake. Just going to speed it up for you guys. And then all these service related components that he did, he's just going to repeat the process. Alright, now it was interesting, while we were doing this, the client was calling, and now he can say, hey, come on and pick it up and stuff like that. So yeah, basically, yeah, just do the same thing. And then when you finish all of it, you're going to click escape. And then you're going to get this screen right here, saying that the service function is finished. And you're going to press continue. All right. So my mission was accomplished. Simple procedure. I'm happy. My client's happy. He got paid for it. And that's pretty much it. So nothing long today, guys. Very simple. If you like this video, I love your support. Go ahead and comment, subscribe. If you want to buy the tool and want me to consult you directly, you got my number, call me up, and then I'll be more than happy to consult you. With that, guys, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.